The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
So, alright, I live at this place for 2 years. Even though I am in the middle of what is going on, I think it should be talked about. You understand? My landlord is in travel back and forth in America and thing. When him go away, he asks for pay upon the mortgage for him, pay the rent to the mortgage and thing. I think early this year, like, I see people come and like I ask if the house is sell. I'm like, no, the house not sell because really and truly, let's say a Bridgeview house them stay. It's two side. Next door they are sell at the time. So I think he was over there and it was a mistake because the man are paying mortgage. I'm sure him paying mortgage and thing. No. The man have him house for 10 years. Nobody came to the house and say, yo, them a buy the house. Or come look inside of the house to see if there's a big hole in the wall, if the roof a drop out. Nobody no come and do that. You understand? Them sell the bank, Jamaica National. The bank sell the man house underneath him foot. And people are going to step on the live and people who are watching this and say, yo, our bank for the sell somebody house and something. That is what them do. Whoever the angle the man case, call them cousin and say, yo, you know, so the house you sell. Or just do what we have to do quick and sell the man house. You see, when the house, them get information with sell to, where it sell, when it sell and all of that. Them have him information to call. Them have the address of mail. Them have him email address for send him email. The man still pay a mortgage from in. The man still pay a mortgage up to September. And then put the man house to sell. And the man still pay money on the house where them put for sell and sell. Right? The man show me information and receipt. Saying pay all of that. And them sell him house. Account no close or nothing. And them sell him house. You understand? All of that information we get. And them could say, yo, sir, you know your house a sell. This is it. What you want to do? Do you want to pay off your loan? Do you want to borrow some money? Do you want to contact Auntie Susie America for beg her? I told the US and beg your one family them say you can pay me off. Instead what they did, sell the man house and sell it without him knowing. And this is where I'm stuck in the middle now. I am a tenant at the house, right? And after the sale is closed, the person, you know, whoever buy the house, you know, they didn't even have the respect or anything for message or come at the yard and say, you know, say I am the owner of the house or the new property of the house. Instead of they sent a letter with a lawyer. Send a letter with a not lawyer, a man who do serving or the man that was serving envelope to tell, yeah, you've been served. One of them man there. Them send the lawyer, send the letter then. And at that point in time, my landlord figured out same house a sell. Him house sell. You understand? Now on the letter it say 30 days. I don't know if anybody have in a Jamaica right now have the struggles or know about the struggles of finding a place to rent in Jamaica. Renting a place in Jamaica is like they want you to be a single person, they want you to be Christian, they want you to do all of that, which is fine. That is their house and their preference or whatever. But that is what people have to go through, like it's a job interview them have go through. You understand? I've never been late on my rent. Never late for my rent. And one time a bit late, and then in a COVID time when we end up at the over shopping because people this care where I buy up much things. So I'm late for my rent, I'm a landlord. We develop a friendship where we can say, yo, you know, me late for my rent, and him say, alright, him understand a COVID time. You understand? That's the only time I ever pay for my rent, and them I will send paper say me to come out of them house by the end of last month, which is November. And then 3 days pass, November, them I will send police to put me out of the house. From the time when I get the letter and the landlord say, yo, this is what I want. It's best if you just, till him start it out, just try to find a place to live or whatever. From them time, they may look a place to live and can't find a place to live. And them will come with police again today. They buy a house for our auction a house, and them get the house, and them could even have the audacity for like, yo, come and approach whoever living in the house. Them want to put out somebody before Christmas in a COVID time. You understand? You see the problem when I go through here, people. And this is the thing when I'm wanting to share. I'm caught in the migrant. Me should be supposed to be an immigrant. You understand? The bank sell multiple message and try to contact the owner before they sell, but most people... Mark Robinson, the man did not get no eye. Me live at the house. Nobody not come at the house. Them have him email. Them not as much as send an email. And I know so this is why a lot of people are going to say them send multiple message and them this. They did not. If the man knows if them send message to the man sell the man out, why would the man be paying mortgage? The man pay 70,000 in September and mortgage. Why the man would have pay money and a house where him know say I sell? Now tell me, explain that to me, Mark Robinson. You understand? They never inform him of saying, yeah, yo, sir, your house I sell. And this is it. As somebody in the bank knows somebody, say, yo, cousin, you know, so the house I sell. You know, so the house I sell. Let's do what we have to do to basically get it. You understand? That is what happened. I'm sure, because guess what? At the same bank, lend the people them. Whoever buy the house, lend the people them the money to buy back the house. And the same person who buy the house live in this community where we live in right now. You understand? Them living in the same community here because them know how the house them stay. Them know the value of the house. Them say, oh, we not for go in there go look because we know how the house them stay. You understand? Them know how the house them stay in here. And them sell the man house without the man knowing. The man never get no. Them even send him a message. I think in September, in October, say him need to update him information which is him license because him license upon file have expire. And they didn't even as much as say, yo, your house is being sold. What I will do is stay in the house. They will have to take me up. Now this man, this police officer gonna say, them can come cut off lock and come put my things them outside. I'm stuck in the middle of all of this. You understand? And Jamaica National is to be blamed because they did not inform the man same house a sell. You understand? They never informed the man same house a sell. You understand? I'm sure uno people upon here, sir. You understand? If uno people upon here, sir, if you don't know son house a sell, under call one on a family member, under try get any water money on for try to sell on the car, sell something, do whatever you have to do to pay the people them the money where you owe. And pay off and get something they say you can get your house. Instead of them sell the man house, them never inform the man, sell the man house, and whoever living at the house now if you just pack up and just go. Me never open my rent yet. Never once open my rent yet. Them never have a decency to even come at the house and say, but we'll see who is living here and see what they need. Place hard for rent now. If you're going out this group on Facebook when you also rent classified, have 93,000 people. And everybody will look somewhere for rent. You understand? Everybody will look somewhere for rent. My neighbor, even my neighbor beside of me, my neighbor say, yo, me no want you to left me because you're one of the best neighbor I have. Because we get the friendship there. It's like a close-knit community. If you look, you see all of the house, if you sit over there, so the whole of the house them close. You understand? This is one of the safest community in a Bridgman, so they know all of that before them buy the man house. You understand? They know all of that. And then sell the man house. Then if you inform the man to them are selling house, nothing at all, and the man still a pay a mortgage for a house for sell. So tell me now, what the man do? And now I am stuck in the middle because me now after I drive up and down. If you can't realize no, I carry me there and I look somewhere for rent now. That's just foolishness. And what Jamaica National did was wrong. The way how them go about it is wrong. It's not my house, I feel it for the man.
Viewers and subscribers, is the first me ever hear of a situation like this. You see me I say? It had me thinking, you know. First me ever hear of a story like this. And so me I say to you, like for real, the things that this person said in this video have me thinking different ways. I'm wondering if this person actually had been given the right informations, isn't it? And I'm wondering if there is some form of a mix-up when it comes down to the mortgage payment what the person talk about in the video, or some form of mix-up at the bank or something. You know, I'm thinking all different things because I'm saying to myself, how can a bank sell a house that a person is paying mortgage for? Unless the person late on the payment and something happen. You see me I say so you understand what I'm saying? You know, those are some of the things that I'm thinking. You see me I say it's like me just can't understand how something like that happened, and that is if it happened. You see me? Because I cannot confirm the things that the person said in the video if it is true. No, I cannot confirm if the things that the person said in this video if it is true. You see me? I'm only going by the things that this person said in this video. You understand? And just to make it be very clear, you see me? The person talking in the background of this video said some things that gave me the understanding that the person is saying that he's a tenant and he's paying rent to live at a certain place that he's talking about. And he said that the Jamaica National Bank within the country of Jamaica sold a house to whoever bought the house while his landlord is paying mortgage for that house. That's the understanding that I get. You see me I say? And I am wondering if the things that this person said is accurate. You see me? I cannot confirm if the things that this person said, if it is true, but it have me thinking. You see me I say? Now, viewers and subscribers, if you have ever heard of something like this, you can let me know. If you have ever experienced a situation like this, you can let me know. You see me I said to you? And you can let me know what you think about some of the things that this person said in this video. You understand me? Because really and truly, I think I'm going to need some help on this one. You see me I say? For real. I've never heard of a situation like this before. You know what I mean? Wow, it had me thinking. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. So until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself, you see. Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Tenant.